I'm blue a da ba dee da ba da. Sorry. Sorry. I can't help it. I love this filter too. Okay, so I had several other things I was going to talk about in this video, but something just happened, so I thought I should talk about it. What do you do when, someone is pushing your buttons and they know they're pushing your buttons and you know they're pushing your buttons and you have an expressive face where your face just is like, bitch, please, but you can't help it. And you're an empath and they are not. What do you do? Well, let me tell you, this just happened to me, literally. Just when I think I don't have any more buttons left to push, a couple will come up and it makes me go, damn it, I got more work to do, crap. But what are you supposed to do? What I did was I said, nothing. I was just like, whatever, The only way that I have discovered to deal with people like this is to not give a shit about what they're saying. And that's pretty much how I feel about it. I let it get to me. I let it get me upset. I vented to a person I trusted, and that was dumb. And so that came back to bite me, and then I was like, okay, I know better. So now, nothing. And when I say no response, that means no response of any kind. Nothing, no response from my mouth, no response from my head. My face may have told him to go screw, but my face has a mind of its own. I can't help it. But, and that also means no response, nothing for me, nothing, no words, no help, no doing, no actions, no nothing. And, yeah. So that's how to deal with it. No actions. No actions means people don't get to take advantage of you and prey on your empathy. So if you don't respond to it, you don't act on it, you don't, even though they're pushing your buttons, jumping up and down on them, going like they Donkey Kong or some shit. No response. That's how you do it then.